Hello, friends. This is Ray, and welcome back to the Port of Indecision. If you've ever been on a cruise ship, the thought has crossed your mind, how does a ship so big run so smoothly? Well, join me on an inside access tour that reveals the technology, teamwork, and tons of supplies that go into creating your perfect celebrity cruise. Together, we'll visit the galley, engine control room, the ship's bridge, and many other behind the scenes locations. But don't forget to subscribe to the Port of Indecision for more travel videos.
We sailed from the port of indecision.
Before we start the tour, I'd like to congratulate the Celebrity Apex on receiving a 4-star rating from Forbes magazine. Celebrity is the first cruise line to earn this prestigious Forbes Travel Guide Stars Award. The tour starts in the main dining room with a little hands-on lesson from the staff.
I'm one of the restaurant hostess in all main dining rooms. In Celebrity Apex, in Celebrity Edge series, we call it Edge. We have 4 main dining rooms. 2 located on deck 3, 2 located on deck 4.
Our next stop is the kitchen galley. This is where we'll see how the culinary team artfully prepares over 25,000 meals each day. It's an impressive achievement, especially when you think about all of the exotic flavors you get to enjoy.
Okay, so my name is Armando. I'm all the way from Mexico. I'm the executive chef on board of this beautiful ship, and I'll be the one giving you the tour today. If you have any questions, please ask me. I'll be more than happy to answer them. All right? This particular part of the kitchen is one of the busiest, and I would say the backbone of our operation. This is where all the sauces, the stocks, and the roast beef. On the other side, we have the gelato station and ice cream station where we know all our ice cream.
Hello.
The yellow one is the entry level. We have a 4 and a 12 cook. Then the red one is the second position, the third position per se. You have a second cook. The green one is a first cook. Then we have the blue one. They are chef de partie. Chef de partie are already managers, in charge of station, in charge of people. They have to oversee bigger operations. Then we have the sous chef that wear a black scarf. And then you have the second chef like myself. I don't wear a scarf, and I normally have a white apron.
Thanks to Armando for an excellent galley tour, and now we're off to the ship's provisioning storerooms.
Maybe for the first day, we can say we are about 1,000 family member of Apex House, and we have you like 1,300, right?
Yeah.
1,000. You have seen here, the commissioner is coming from the US. Most of the commanders here, you know that it's really hard to prepare things like both, to buy something, grocery. For the kids leave. And then, right, and for your information, yesterday, I think we have per hour, we have around 450,000 bottles of wine that we carry on board.
Wow, it's crazy, isn't it? They even have box wine.
We need to be prepared for the pastries and everything. So we have 4 more like this. That is below deck, because we used to keep the meat, the poultry, and the seafood separate rooms, and even the cooked one with the rope. So sorry to say that it's below deck, and we don't have much space to go there. It's nearby from the butchery and all like this. So you're feeling cold. Let's go outside. It's the year long. What I'm doing is
Wow.
because
Look at the dog. Wow.
they deliver. Because normally in the old days of this Yeah. So just imagine we need a lot of people to. Morning.
Hi, Arthur. Huh?
Box of Snickers.
Look at this, huh?
Oh my gosh.
So if you're not friendly enough to the guests upstairs, they send you down here.
Yeah.
Lifting these bags. Peanut butter.
Look at the tomato.
Wow. Did you see Mark said there's a bag of popcorn? Can you imagine putting that in your microwave?
I think there's only one person responsible.
I know. Wow. Look at this, has to be oil. Look at the oil. I found M&M's. Oh, that's nice. Oh, look at the creme brulee. That's just mix.
Yeah.
I'm sniffing out all the chocolate. Yeah, I want to go back to the M&M's.
Thank you again, Arthur. Thank you. Good morning. Oh, smell those onions.
Wow. Yeah, they're right here.
Yeah.
Look at the carrots.
Look at all the tomatoes. I can't even imagine ordering all this stuff. Oh, look how cute the carrots are.
They must have a massive refrigerator.
Oh, can you imagine? Look at how big those carrots are.
Look at how big their turnips are.
Oh.
Wow. What are those?
They look like turnips, don't they? Little turnips?
I don't know. These are turnips.
Oh, maybe those are
Look
rutabaga.
how big these are.
Garlic breath.
Eggplant. I love them. Look
I
at
do
the
too.
chives.
Wow, look how fresh this stuff is.
This is awesome.
We're coming.
Look at all the mushrooms. How they store them. Where is everybody? Wow, look how big the zucchini. I mean, this is, look at all these mushrooms.
We're coming.
We're coming. This is amazing.
You put us to
Look
work.
at all the ginger. This is all
Wow.
ginger. This is awesome. Y'all are amazing.
We're coming. Hi.
Thank you to Manolito for an outstanding tour of the food and provision section. Our next stop will be the environmental part of the ship with Telemakos from Greece.
You have a machine, this one, put them inside, you crush them, very small pieces, and you store them in this white bag there. And we have a box, everything from the Galley recycling treatment, or we take them to waste to energy facilities. Especially here in the Baltic countries, most of the countries they have incinerators inside their cities. What they're doing, they take unburnable waste, burn them there, and they create electricity for the cities. So it's a win-win situation for everybody. This area is almost 100% not close to the land. But generally, in the celebrity fleet, we have a percentage of approximately 94-95% is going to the recycling facility. So
Thank you to Telemakos for a very interesting tour. Now let's take a stroll down what they call I-95. As we walk down I-95, you could see on the wall an IMO number which stands for the International Maritime Organization, and this number specifies the Celebrity Apex.
Hi. Oh, hey. Hey Philip, that was a great coffee this morning.
Oh, you're right.
Great
Thank you,
coffee, yeah.
Thank you. Enjoy your tour.
Thank you.
As we finished our stroll down I-95, our next stop was the laundry, where thousands of items are cleaned and crisply folded every day, from napkins to linens to beach towels.
Welcome to the Longest Celebrity Apex. So, I will explain to all of you how the operation. We have 5 dryers outside inside. We have 1 shuttle to bring dirty, clean towel, to bring clean towel to the dryer. And then for linen, the clean linen will go outside, little bit damp, little bit wet. Stop, just press the red one. So we have emergency stop here, and something problem, you can press the emergency button. So just press the green one to stop. And then now we will try to press exit. Just choose the program here. Want to take the linen, just press this one, the brake one. So the linen will come out. Take it.
And now we'll move from the laundry to our 7th stop on the tour, the engine control room. Our 8th and final stop on the tour will be the ship's bridge, and before we were allowed access, we each had to be searched by security. Our tour guide, First Officer Cheris from Greece. We were not able to video on the bridge due to safety concerns. Here is a picture of the crew on the bridge. Notice the crew member at the window. Their job is to look out for ships and floating ocean containers. Even in this age of technology, some things are still manual.
So come around. Here is the amazing window. If I step here and I press the button, I go down.
I hope you enjoyed watching the Inside Access Celebrity Apex Tour. We truly enjoyed it, and it's the second time we've done a tour on one of the celebrity ships. You can book this while you're on the ship or online. It's only done on sea days, and it'll be one of the best excursions you'll ever take when on a cruise ship, and you'll gain a whole new appreciation. And don't forget, please subscribe to the Port of Indecision.